Yeah, this is Dr. Sanjeev Das again here, and I'm planning to upload a fourth video today with three more phyla, okay, or phylums: Nemathelminthes, Annelida, and Arthropoda to you. So, according to plan today, I'm going to discuss about general characters and then classifications and okay, and there are examples, important points, and then we will also discuss the important questions that appear in MBBS entrance exams of TU, KU, and BPKIHH, COPA, and Tehran. So there are a lot of rumors in the nation right now is that or maybe there will be combined exam of MBBS entrance in whole Nepal, but I'm not sure because we have to follow the trend that we are following since last several years. Okay, so whatever exam is, no problem. If we are well prepared, we can crack an exam. Okay, and mainly we are oriented towards entrance exam of MBBS in Nepal. So if we are talented enough and we have done a lot of revision, then we don't need to get worried about it. Okay, we are going to go for Nemathelminthes. Okay, so what's the meaning of nematodes? We know the name has come from the word like nematos means thread, and helminths obviously it's worm. Okay, so there are three scientists' names which are very important, like Geigenbohr. Okay, he introduced the name Nemathelminthes. Then Graben, another guy who coined the term esculminths in place of nemathelminths. Then Rudolphi introduced the term nematode. And obviously, study of nematodes is nematology. So during our MBBS entrance preparations, I went through two questions like who introduced the name Nemathelminthes and who introduced the term nematode. So they are Gegenbohr and Rudolphi respectively. Yeah, okay. Now we are going to go to general characters, same as before. So there are 14 points as general characters of Nemathelminthes. And we are not going point wise again. That will create a pressure in brain. If there is a pressure while we are learning, it means that's not a good learning. Yeah. If we enjoy learning, like talking, discussing, and putting our own ideas and then knowledge that we have learned from several textbooks since class 8, 9, 10, or and 11, 12, obviously, yeah. Okay. Then the discussion will give us more ideas and more energy, and they will boost us to prepare this one lightly. Okay, if we enjoy learning, obviously on the other hand there will be a good preparation. Okay, so no need to have pressure. What kind of characters do nemathelminths have? So their body, four things we can understand. Okay, we can keep in mind. Worm, obviously they are. Okay, it's cylindrical, elongated. We already know. Okay, there will be no segment, and finally it's worm. Most of them are parasite. Some are free living, found in soil and water. They are triploblastic. I don't need to explain to you about triploblastic because we have already discussed in Okay, second video, I guess. Yeah, first or a second video. Yeah. I'm missing that. Okay, so we have to, when we see a new video, it's better for us to see or to enjoy the previous videos again. They will boost our ideas more and more. Yeah. Okay. And if we consider about symmetry, obviously they are bilaterally symmetrical, and there's a tube within tube plan. We need to keep in our mind, Nemathelminthes have a tube within tube plan. Coelom, let's think about coelom, that is pseudocoelom type, and body cavity is lined by mesodermal layer. Nutrition is holozoic, and alimentary canal is complete and straight. Mouth is terminal, surrounded by lips. So here a question arises that do Nemathelminthes have lips? Obviously yes, because here, according to content, we go through a sentence that mouth is terminal, surrounded by lips. Respiratory system, they are in parasitic form, so they follow anaerobic type of respiration. Circulatory system, if we consider, then a specific blood vascular system is lacking over here. Transport of fluid nutrients takes place with the help of hydrolymph or pseudocoelomate fluid. And okay, and what about excretory substances? Okay, they are expelled out through anus. When we consider about nervous system, yeah, there are two types of sensory organs, and there are amphids and phasmids. Okay, so amphids are like gustatory, sensory, and chemoreceptors located in mouth, and phasmids are chemoreceptors located in tail region. Okay, when we go through different words, okay, professional words, okay, we can say biological words like gustatory, chemoreceptors. In that case, okay, I guess there are several kind of words that play role as professional words in biology. At that time, what we need to do, that okay, we have to pick the word and find its meaning from dictionary or from internet, and note it down on our in our own textbook. Phasmids are chemoreceptors located in tail region. When we consider about reproductive system, let's think, what about nematodes? Okay, they are unisexual. Now we have to think in the beginning of this video. Okay, I guess that might be a second video or first. Okay, so if that's unisexual, that must be dioecious. Okay, so male and female individuals are separate, and females are comparatively longer than male. So there is no asexual reproduction present in nematodes, nemathelminthes. Fertilization is internal, maybe cross or self. Okay. Development may be direct or indirect, with some larval stages. Okay, important over here. Now we go to classification of phylum, nematode. So there are two classes, Phasmida and Aphasmida. Phasmida have two examples. They're very important. First, we talk about examples, then we can discuss about a bit general characters. Okay, Phasmida, we can use our own ideas to fix or to hook examples with the class name, okay? Like Ascaris, Trichoris are examples of Phasmida. They have caudal sense organs. Phasmid is present, and most of them are parasitic forms. A phasmida, obviously, absence of caudal sense organs. Amphids or anterior sensory organs are present, and most of them are free living forms. So, examples are Doralimus and Rotifers. So when I was preparing MBBS entrance exam, so I used to use my own local language like for Fasmita, I used to remember as ata is like that we say, yeah, wheat flour, yeah, flour in our own language, in our local language, it's called ata. Okay, so I used to remember as that one. And a phasmida, there are examples: road, okay, rotiferous, and doralimus. So ro from rotiferous and d from doralimus, so road, and I used to combine them. We should have this kind of idea that's must to make our learning even more enjoyable and if somebody asks us questions regarding this, it becomes easier for us to answer. And when we differentiate let me think, yeah, Scarus, okay, differences between male and female scarus, okay. So if somebody asks you which one is longer, male or female, first thing, what will we say? This is very popular question, very frequently asked question. Obviously female is longer than male. Females have a straight tail, and obviously they won't have pineal city, okay? Male have, yeah? Okay. Now we jump to phylum Annelida. Okay, Annelida. Okay, so scientist Lamarck coined the term Annelida and okay, Ball, B-A-H-L, okay, is an Indian guy, I guess, okay. So thoroughly explained the earthworm, okay, because Annelid, example, earthworm, that is Pharetima postuma, we have to learn in detail in zoology in class 11 and 12 mix up, okay. So we have more ideas of earthworm, and there are several questions which are frequently asked in MBBS entrance exams regarding earthworm. Why? Because earthworm are regarded as okay, that word is very beautiful. Let me think. Okay, that is called like farmer's friend, and because they are friends of farmers. They make soil of land porous because they make a type of burrow. They engulf food from soil, so they completely engulf the soil and they excrete the remaining soil. So soil becomes more and more fertile. That's why they are regarded as farmer's friend. Okay, and I also remember, okay, there's a recall in my mind that it was also regarded as, okay, when we were preparing MBBS entrance exam, that was like plough, P-L-O-U-G-H, okay. So we can say biological plough, yeah. They're good for making the soil fertile. Okay, we have to discuss about general characters of phylum Annelida. So there is a very important word, metamer. Metamer, okay, that is going. They are elongated and metamerically segmented. What is metamerically segmented? That's repetition of organs and tissues at intervals along the body of an animal. Okay, and in our textbook it's written metamerically segmented means segmented externally and internally both. Okay, they are terrestrial and burrowing. Few are ectoparasites sucking the blood from vertebrates. Triple plastic, obviously, they are ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Bilaterally symmetrical, they have tube within tube plan, same. Coelom, they form or they have a true coelom type, okay, formed by mesoderm. Subcoelom is called cytocele. Locomotion takes place by sitting in earthworm, parapodia, in nervous and suckers in leech. Okay, so the important that questions they used to appear uh, are what does an earthworm, okay, use, or what do earthworms use for locomotion? Obviously sitting, in case of race, parapodia, and for leech suckers. They have holozoic type of nutrition, and leech is sanguivorous. So what is sanguivorous? Is feeding on blood. Somebody who eats or drinks blood as food, okay, is called sanguivorous. Sanguivorous. And when we consider about digestive system, obviously alimentary canal is straight and well developed in case of Annelida, and digestion is entirely extracellular. Respiration takes place through moist body surface by diffusion. Circulation is by blood vascular system in closed type consisting of hearts and blood vessels. Blood is red due to hemoglobin or erythropoietin dissolve in blood plasma. So the question may be, what type of blood vascular system does the earthworm have? That is open or closed? That is closed. Blood of earthworm is red because of hemoglobin is common word, so they may ask you, they won't give you hemoglobin as option, they may put erythropoietin. Then that will be the correct answer. Next question, obviously, we have already discussed, I guess. Where did we discuss? Oh, sorry. We are going to discuss when we talk in detail about earthworm, okay, Nephridia.